Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check which app is using your camera in Windows 11, 10. Open Privacy and Security Settings. Google Chrome is used camera. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.